Hello kids, welcome back to AI and Robotics for Kids series. Today we are learning a very important skill for building miniature models, how to use paper cutter safely and how to score cardboard so it folds perfectly. Important note, remember a paper cutter is a sharp tool, so parental supervision is very important. It is required. We will learn to work slowly, carefully, and correctly. Before start cutting, let's quickly talk about safety. Always have an adult nearby while using a cutter. Work on a cutting mat like this or a thick cardboard to protect your table. Keep your fingers away from the blade. It should be away from the blade path. It should not come on it. It should be away from your blade. Cut slowly, never in a rush. After using, always close. It is open, close it or retract the blades and turn on the safety catch and store it safely somewhere so it does not hurt anybody by accident. So today we are going to practice just like we practice with scissors. We are going to use cardboards like that. You might have these things in your home, the cereal boxes, the biscuit boxes. These comes. Don't waste them. We are going to use them for practice and making our models. So just get one of those. Just cut it straight so it is straight. We don't want extra things here. Open it from here as well. We can use the cutting knife as well, the paper cutter as well, but I am just going to use this one for hand to straighten it up. Okay, so here we have. Okay, so I am just going to take out a piece for my practice. I am just going to use the cutter. Remember, this is my ruler. I am just going to put it here. My finger should not never cross my ruler. They should be on one side and they should be firmly tight. Okay, I'm just going to, I just need and when you are taking this knife out, keep it as minimum as you can. Don't just take it out all of it, just a little. Okay, and that's enough. Lock it so it is safe, so it will not get out accidentally. Press it and here we have. I just need a little piece for the practice. So you can see I have a straight paper here and now I can use it for cutting with my cutter. Okay. Okay, now for cutting we need, let's say we are going to measure it. I am just going to draw a straight line first of all because remember we discussed that earlier, that these edges might not be straight. Okay, and you can see, if you can see very clearly, this is not very straight. This line is straight and this is not straight. It is wider from here and it is narrow from here. So that's why we always use the measurement tools. Next, I want to just put a line here. Okay, so first of all I am going to cut the first line. What I have to do, I have to put this corner, never touch it. If I am touching it, I am experienced. Use it with adult supervision. If you are learning from me, I am going to supervise you personally. Okay, just keep in on one side of the line and make sure it is touching on the other side of the line as well. I can show you without the, it is touching here and it is touching here on the line. So I am going to use like this, like this. Now I have to press very firmly on the ruler, put my blade on one side and start cutting it. Okay, here we have. Sometimes it will not cut in one go, you have to cut it again. With practice you will become more expert in that. Okay, I am going to cut one more. It is not cut. This is very useful. We are going to discuss it in a while. And here we have. Okay, here is a straight and it is same side on the both sides because we used the guidelines to cut it and put the marking before cutting it. So what you do, take a card, draw long lines, as many you can, and try to cut it with your paper cutter. Okay, so this is one of the things you are going to do. Now we are talking about scoring. So what is scoring? This is a card. If I want to fold it like this, it will not fold in a straight line. Let's say I want to fold it somehow, and you see it is not coming in straight line, right? And the fold is not very smooth. So instead what I am going to do, I want to fold it with this line, right? And with the knife cutter, with the paper cutter, I am just going to smoothly, not very hard, just put a little line like that. Remember to put your knife, your cutter on the same line. Check it twice. Okay, now I am not pressing very hard, just a little and smoothly. The paper is not cut off, but there is a line and you see I can fold it very easily. So this is how we use the scoring. This is called scoring for folding, right? It should be, when you are pressing it, you are going to use it very lightly, not very hard. I am just going to put another line here. Okay, and you see here we have. Okay, so this way we can fold it very firmly and we can make our models work like that. Okay, so you need to practice with cutting and you need to practice with the scoring for folding. So try to do these things and we are going to use them. When we are making our furniture, we are going to use these folding techniques to make our furniture look beautiful and durable. Today we have learned how to use this paper cutter knife. After usage, get it to safety, lock it, put it in a safe place. How to draw in straight lines. Always use your rulers to draw the lines. Then for cutting, you can press it hard, and for scoring, just a little line, that's more than enough. It will fold by itself. Always remember, safety first, neatness second, and practice will make you perfect. Practice on it. Bye bye now.